is a 2004 Honda Civic. She has, let's see how many miles. She has 129,598 on the clock. And she runs pretty much great. Clutch is in good condition. Engine's pretty good. I get 38, 39 miles to the gallon. Everything's in pretty good working condition. Except for this transmission problem, which I'm going to let you listen to right now. Alright, she sounds normal right now with the clutch pushed in. As soon as I let my foot out, listen to that grinding sound. Coming from around this area near the clutch, so that's another reason I'm pretty sure it is the main shaft bearing, input shaft bearing rather. So that's how she sounds under the hood. Take her for a ride. Alright, so here we go. Sounds pretty much okay. In reverse at least. And in first gear, she's quiet up to like 3 grand. See, quiet, but there it goes. The grinding noise sucks. Listen to her. Sounds pretty horrible, doesn't it? Just close the windows and listen to it. She sounds like it under acceleration. And again, it's only really grinds really loud while forward load is being put on the transmission. So, I'm unsure what's going on with this whole thing, but oh, and another thing, slowing down in gear. Listen to this, even if I hit the clutch in. Ready? I'm gonna speed up a little bit. And I use the brakes. Hear that grinding sound that dips a little bit? Whoops. I put it in first gear and do it. Oh, that sounds horrible. And when I let the clutch back out, it sounds even worse. So, that's what's going on. So that's it. If anybody has any input, it would be greatly appreciated. And thanks.